Welcome to New Media Design Communications. We're going to have fun. This is going to be an awesome class. I just wanted to go over it real quick, even though I'm sure that you've all read your syllabus and you've also looked at the assignment or the course description on Moodle. Let's just talk about it real quick. I think this class is going to be awesome. You have a lot of opportunity to show off your skills in motion graphics, especially, which is something that when doing our research, we found that that's what the industry is looking for, is candidates that can do motion graphics and other things involving video, Premiere, After Effects, stuff like that. So we're going to be mainly focusing on the software that they're already using out there in the industry. There's many different software options for these kind of things. We have to choose something, so that's what we're going with, mostly Adobe products. Premiere, After Effects, Animate, Dreamweaver. Some of these I'm sure you've worked with before. Some of them may be new to you. It doesn't matter. We'll get into the details of things you need to work on, things you need to use for these simple projects. We're not going to get too crazy with it. First project is literally called Motion Graphics Ad. You're going to be using Premiere for that. Not asking for anything fancy or outrageous, just simple motion graphics. We're going to be working with Kinetic Type after that in After Effects. We're going to create a social media ad using either one of those softwares or another software of your choice. We're going to investigate, we're going to look into like the specifications for creating an ad, an e-blast. We're going to work on SEO, which is search engine optimization terminology, in a blog. We're going to work on animation using Animate. And then we're going to return to video format and use that to create an industrial style video, which is probably something that you'll encounter more than anything else. And after that, hopefully we will touch a little bit on the location verification process and maybe even voice verification, a process of registering businesses with those types of features so that people can find them. I think we can have a lot of fun with this. Like I said, we're not asking for anything outrageously crazy, just simple motion graphics. This is something that's going to benefit you a lot when you're out there either joining an existing team that's already doing motion graphics, or the fact that you'll be able to bring these things to the table into a company that needs these services and somebody who can do things like this. A lot of this stuff scares people who've been around the industry for 30 years or so. And so it's good to be able to come in and say, hey, I know how to register your business with Google and all the other search engines, and I know how to do motion graphics, and I know how to do an e-blast. All right, then, let's have a lot of fun with this semester. It's going to be a lot of work, but if you use your lab time wisely, then you probably won't have to do much outside of class. So I can't stress enough how important lab time is going to be for these projects, because they're simple, but they're not easy.